Hi everyone, today I want to sharing about how to render video in Adobe Premiere 2021. Okay, go to see my practice at my computer now. Okay, before I go to open my Adobe Premiere project, okay, I go to start menu and then I go to select open Adobe Premiere 2021. Okay everyone, okay, next step I go to open my project. Okay, and then I select. Okay, I find my project. Okay, I select YouTube Short project and then I open. Okay, for before I render my project, okay, I go to my file menu and then I use export and then I select media, or everyone you can select shortcut on the keyboard. You can select Control plus letter M. Okay, or go to file menu and then export and media. Okay, okay, this is video for render. Format, you can select 2034 and then press it. Okay, you can select match so high bitrate. Okay, for output name you can select for find location where you render, location for render. Example, file name you can change name video 2021. Okay, you can save. Okay, and then you can select export. Okay, please wait for video render finish. Okay, please wait 50 seconds for my video render finish. Okay. Okay, please wait 13 seconds and 10 seconds, 9 seconds. Okay, 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay, now my video render finish everyone. Or you can use shortcut Control letter M. You can render. Okay, thank you for watching my video and thank you for subscribe my channel if you want to see more video about me. Okay, thank you, bye bye.